Hey, so last week I finally got my Klairs products, the daily skin softening water and the daily hydrating water, and these bottles are gigantic. So I've already been using them for about a week, and you can't even tell. I haven't even made a dent in them. These are almost 17 ounces each. So I was pretty impressed with how gigantic they are, and pretty happy about them. I should mention really quick, there was a data breach. I just got a letter from First Aid Beauty that some information was stolen from their website from hackers. So I'm interested if you guys have been affected by it or not. So I don't know, leave a comment if you have. Kind of interesting. I know it happens from time to time. So I don't know, just be safe with your credit card info. So anyway, so I'm very excited about these. I've been using these. It is a water. So like their toner, supple preparation toner is kind of like a jelly water type. This is like liquidy water. And so it's kind of like you can use it as a toner on a cotton pad. You can use it just kind of as an essence, applying to your face. I've been using them both. One day I'll use one as a toner, and then I'll use one as an essence, and then the other day I switch. So I've been kind of doing that off and on. I thought I would quickly pH test each of them for you, though. One of them features, let's see. This is the green tea. Hang on, let me double check. This is the cucumber water. The formulas are pretty simple. They're alcohol-free both, fragrance-free both. Pretty simple, not a super long ingredient list. One features cucumber water. The other one features green tea, and a lot of the other ingredients are pretty similar. So you probably don't necessarily need to go out and order both, but I don't know. Why not? I guess. I don't know if you like Klairs. I just like them. They're pretty gentle. As a toner, they do a good job. They give your skin a little boost of extra hydration, not a whole ton of it. But, okay, so this was the cucumber water, and it's about a 4. Pretty much exactly, I would say. And then the green tea looks to be about a 6. So cucumber is 4, green tea is 6. So that's kind of interesting. The pH is totally different in them, but anyway, they're both pretty hydrating. I like the fact that they don't contain alcohol or fragrance. They give your skin a little boost of hydration, not a whole ton. If I've been using like the Tatcha essence for a while, and I would say they give me about the same amount of hydration that essence does. The supple preparation toner gives you a little bit more hydration than this does, but I also like layering it with that as well. So after having about a week to try them both, I've been using them kind of alternating fashion, but I'm liking them so far. So I'll have to do some more diligent trying, and then I'll do a more detailed review on each of them. But I just want to let you guys know I got them, and they're pretty good deal. I don't know, for a giant friggin' bottle, I was pretty happy. I don't know, compare it to my Tatcha essence, which I think is like way more expensive. I don't know, it's like double. No, this is 5.1 ounces. This is almost 17. So it's like triple, isn't it? Yeah, that's like triple. And the price is like triple less. It's like $20, $24. So anyway, it's worth checking out online. So I ordered them from By Wish Trend's website, and they initially said it was going to take a month, but it only took me about a week to get them. So I was pretty happy about it. So anyway, I'll definitely be doing more thorough reviews of these, but I just want to do my first impressions because I knew a lot of you guys were waiting to hear. So anyway, those are my first thoughts on them. So if you guys have had a chance to try them or pick them up yet and have any thoughts, leave a comment. And otherwise, I'll be doing my more thorough review as soon as I have a more thorough chance to try them. So thank you guys so much. Happy Sunday, and I will see you tomorrow.